From Kitter to feeder, warehouse to MIS, Poxo Digital Kanban brings your entire shop floor to life.
Production lines lose thousands every hour when parts run late. Poxo eliminates that with the digital Kanban system. Real-time material flow intelligence built for industry. One control hub connects your entire shop floor. Kitter, feeder, warehouse, and management reporting. All live, all in sync. At the assembly line, operators scan a part barcode or RFID tag. Poxo raises a replenishment request instantly. Part details, source location, destination, and priority. No paper, no radio calls. Every request becomes a live Kanban card, color-coded by status and urgency. Feeder operators see the delivery queue immediately, organized by plant zone with SLA timers running. One tap to acknowledge, one tap to flag a shortage. Shortages escalate instantly to the warehouse screen, where tickets are aged into visual buckets. Fresh, critical, SLA breach, so nothing waits in an inbox. Management gets full traceability. Cycle times, shortage rates, on-time delivery, and SLA breach counts for any date range. Exportable to Excel. Poxo Digital Kanban, built for industry, ready for your floor.